Hi, I'm Justin from ASPnix.com.
Today we are going to show you how easy it is to get a brand new website with WordPress. After you sign up with ASPnix, this is the first page you will see. Just click on My Services and click on Manage. We're going to log into the cPanel. You're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and in the left corner you're going to see the WordPress icon. Click on that. Click Install Now. We're going to scroll down and put in any username we feel like using, and we're also going to type in that password that we want to use on our website. In the bottom, make sure to put in your email. WordPress has a ton of free templates. To keep it simple, I will just pick the first one. Finally, click Install. Give WordPress a few minutes to install. This has not been sped up in any way. As you can see, it really only takes a few seconds, but you still need to be patient. There you have it. We installed a whole new website in 1 minute and 10 seconds. Save this information for future use. If you'd like, click on the admin panel. You can start using your new website right away.